Unlocking understanding, Google Apps' new Simplify feature for iOS users. Have you ever stumbled upon a piece of text that felt like it was written in a foreign language? If you're using the Google app on iOS, you're in for a treat. This handy app is rolling out an exciting new feature called Simplify that's designed to make complex information much easier to digest. Imagine you're browsing through search results or reading an article in the Google app, and you come across some jargon or technical terms that leave you scratching your head. No worries. By simply highlighting the confusing text, you'll see a shiny new option labeled Simplify pop up in the More Actions panel, right next to the familiar search and translate options. When you tap on Simplify, a new sheet will open up, presenting you with a clearer, more straightforward version of the text. This means you can quickly grasp new concepts without getting lost in the weeds of complicated language. It's like having a personal translator for dense material right in your pocket. What's the magic behind this feature? It's powered by Google's advanced Gemini 1.5 models, which are specifically designed for high-fidelity text simplification. This isn't just about summarizing or explaining, it's about accurately paraphrasing complex ideas while ensuring that no crucial details are lost along the way. The goal is to help you understand challenging material without compromising the integrity of the original information. For instance, let's take a look at a biomedical example. Original. The complex pathology of this condition involves emphysematous destruction of lung parenchyma, diffuse interstitial fibrosis, changes in the composition of lung immune cells, increased production of immunomodulatory factors and the prominent remodeling of pulmonary vasculature. Simplified, this complex condition involves damage to the lung tissue from emphysema, a disease that damages the air sacs in the lungs, and widespread scarring of the lung tissue, called fibrosis. The immune cells in the lungs change, and the body makes more immunomodulatory factors, substances that control the immune system. The blood vessels in the lungs also change a lot. Research conducted by Google has shown that users find the simplified text significantly more helpful than the original complex versions. It retains the essential information while making it easier to understand. This feature has been tested across various fields, including medical research, biology, law, finance, literature, philosophy, aerospace, and computer science, proving its versatility and effectiveness. So, if you're an iOS user looking to make sense of complex texts, the Google app's new Simplify feature is your new best friend. Stay tuned for more updates and features that make your experience even better.